Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya Tanvi, currently studying in third year from Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies. In this video, I will be talking about Lebanon. Lebanon, officially known as the Lebanese Republic, is a country in Western Asia. It is bordered by Syria to the north and east, Israel to the south, while Cyprus lies just west of it across the Mediterranean Sea. Lebanon is home to roughly 6 million and covers a territory of just 10,452 square feet kilometer, making it one of the smallest country in Asia by land area. Let's talk about flag. The flag of Lebanon was adopted on 7 December 1943. It was first drawn in Deputy Sahib Salam's house in Misiba by the deputies of the Lebanese parliament. The red band symbolizes bloodshed for liberation, the white band denotes peace, the snow of the mountain. The green cedar tree is the symbol of Lebanon and represents eternity, steadiness, happiness and prosperity. Let's move on to the country's capital and currency. Capital of Lebanon is Beirut and it is the largest city of Lebanon. Currency. The Lebanese pound is the currency of Lebanon. It was formerly divided into 100 piasters, but because of high inflation during the Lebanese civil war, the use of subdivisions was discontinued. Language. Arabs comprise the overwhelming majority of the country's population, while Arabic is the official language and spoken Lebanese Arabic is used alongside modern standard Arabic in daily life. Let's take a look at special facts. The country was famous for being the Switzerland of the East during the 1960s. Interestingly, this was the case because of its financial soundness and diversity. Second, Lebanon is the only country in the Middle East that does not have a desert. Third, Lebanon makes wonderful wine. Wine has been produced here for some 6 millennia. Chateau Qasr is one of several wine producers based in Bekaa Valley. Major cities are Tripoli. Tripoli is the second largest city in Lebanon. Like Tripoli is an ancient city with great archaeological importance. Second, Harissa, a beautiful city in Lebanon for religious celebration. You will see here a statue of Virgin Mary watching over Mount Lebanon. Third, Beirut, with the commercial trading points, bank and business. The ancient city is the most important commercial center in Lebanon. Tourist attraction to be covered. National Museum of Beirut. This is the base museum in the 6,000 years old city. The museum owns about 1 lakh ancient and medieval artifacts unearthed in and around Lebanon. Muhammad Al-Amin Mosque. Beirut sightseeing is not complete without a tour of the Blue Masjid, completed in 2008, and beautiful specimen of postmodern Middle East architecture. The town of Baalbek in Bekaa Valley is about 2.5 hours from Beirut. Is best known for the Roman Temple of Bacchus, one of the last standing Roman buildings in the world. Next, Rouge Rock. The Avenue de Paris that faces the sea is one of the nice places to visit in Beirut. You can have an evening coffee at the many cafes that line this street. Of them coast at Rouge. The Pigeon Rock is a series of weird rock formation cutting out of the water. Water Square reflects the Lebanon's rocky political history, is an iconic attraction. Present day, this is one of the famous spots to witness the civilian protests. The place is a symbolic tribute to the martyrs who executed the Ottomans' rule. On to gastronomy of this country. First, tabbouleh. Tabbouleh is a Levantine salad made mostly of finely chopped parsley with tomatoes, mint, onion, bulgur and seasoned with olive oil, lemon juice, salt and sweet pepper. It is traditionally served as part of meals in Arab world. Second, kibbeh. Kibbeh is a family of dish based on spiced ground meat, onion and grain, popular in Middle Eastern cuisine. It is usually made by pounding bulgur wheat together with meat into a fine paste and forming into balls with toasted pine nuts and spices. It is the national dish of Lebanon. Third, shawarma is a Levantine Arab dish consistency of meat cut into thin slices, stacked in a cone-like shape and roasted on a slowly turning vertical rotisserie or spit. Originally made with lamb, mutton or chicken, today shawarma may also be turkey, beef or veal. Baba Ganoush is a Levantine appetizer of Lebanese origin consisting of mashed cooked eggplant, olive oil, lemon juice and various seasonings. Next, baklava is a layered pastry dessert made with filo pastry filled with chopped nuts and sweetened with syrup or honey. It was one of the most popular sweet pastry of Ottoman cuisine.